We're going to convert PDF information to Excel. Automatically, we're going to use a tool called Lido. We're going to take something like this bank statement right here, and it's a multiple page document, got a bunch of different transaction data on here. We just want to extract this into Excel. So I've been using Lido for things like this for several years now. We're going to click New File, Extract Data. We can just rename it right up here. And this looks just like a Google Sheet or a Microsoft Excel document, except for this button right here called Extract Data. This is what makes Lido special. We can extract data from different sources. We're going to just click this to upload that bank statement right over here, and it's going to analyze the PDF document. So what it's doing here is it's pulling all the information in, and it's saying, you probably want to see this information. And it's going to give us column titles right here. Transaction date, description, amount, transaction type, and account number. And if we wanted to add something else over here, we can add another column and it will populate over in our spreadsheet version right here. So anything we do in either of these places populates automatically in the other. I'm going to remove that because I don't actually want another column. You can add extra instructions for the AI to use as it's processing the data and extracting the data. I found that that's typically actually not even necessary, so I will leave that blank right now. And then if you have multiple items, especially for invoices and stuff, you want to click this right here, extract multiple rows per document, so it's got multiple rows for each of these documents. Once everything here is set in place, we're going to process the files, and it gives you a little count up timer with the percentage right there. It does not take long unless it's a super large file, or if you got tons of files, because you can actually upload up to 100 files at a time, images, PDFs, docs, anything. And then, just like that, after a matter of 7 or 8 seconds, we've got all of our data in here, transaction date, description, amount, transaction type, and the account number, which that was actually superfluous. We probably didn't even need the account number column. Now we need to put it into Excel. Well, all you do there, just like normal, File, Export Values to Excel, and we've got our XLSX document right here. We can do all of our data manipulation in it. We can remove columns, whatever we need to do once it's over here in Excel. Having a tool like Lido eliminates a ton of manual typing and human error that is going to crop in when you're typing stuff like this into a spreadsheet. If this looks interesting, I do have a link in the description for you to check Lido out. Hope it's helpful for you and your business. Thanks.